Hello, let's continue practice set 3.3. Question 5th. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. Question 5th solution. From 1 to 140 natural numbers divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12, so on up to 136. How many numbers means n equals what much? N we are interested to find A means T1, T1 is 4, D is the difference between consecutive terms, D equals T2 minus T1 means 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Okay, we have to find value of N, okay, as well as value of Sn in this case. Okay, we have formula Tn equals A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore Tn is 136, therefore here 136 equals A is 4 plus N minus 1 into D, and value of D is again 4. Let's solve this equation here. On simplification of this equation, let's get 136 is equals 4 plus N minus 1 into 4. Okay, and therefore 136 equals 4 plus 4 into N, 4N, 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 gives us 0, and therefore 4N equals 136, and therefore N equals 136 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, remainder will 1, and it will form 16 with 6. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and therefore N equals 34. Now let's put this value of N as 34 here. Okay, N equals 34. N equals 34. We have Sn equals N by 2 in a box bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore S34 equals 34 upon 2 in a box bracket 2A means 2 into 4 plus N minus 1 into D means 34 minus 1 into 4. Okay, and now let's simplify this equation. On simplification of S34, okay, now S34 equals 34 upon 2 in a box bracket 2 into 4 plus 34 minus 1 into 4. Okay, that equals 34 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 40, means 17 in the box. 4 2s are 8 plus 34 minus 1 gives us 33 into 4. Okay, equals 17 in a box bracket 8 plus 4 3s are 12, carries 1, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. Okay, that equals 17 into 140. Okay, 140 into 17. 17 0 0, 17 4s are 68, carries 6, 17 ones are 17, and 6 gives us 23, means 2380, 2380, 2380, and therefore sum of numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4 equals 2380. Question 6th. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Okay. Question 6th. Solution. Let in an AP A be the first term and D be the difference. Okay. Here, yes, what he provided? He tells the sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300 and find 28th term. So here S55 is 3300 and asking about 28th term means T28 equals question mark. It is given. Okay. Now we have formula related with Sn, means sum of n terms. We have Sn equals n upon 2 in a box 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and therefore S55 equals 55 upon 2 in a box bracket 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. Okay, that equals, it gives us therefore S55 equals 55 upon 2 in a box bracket 2a plus 54d. Okay, and therefore S55 equals 55 upon 2 into, now from 2a plus 54d we will take out 2 common. Okay, which gives 2 in a box bracket a plus 2a divided by 2 gives us a, and 54d divided by 2 gives us 27d. Okay, and we have value of S55 as 3300 and therefore 3300 equals 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, these will get cancelled. 55 in a box bracket a plus 27d. Okay, and therefore a plus 27d equals 3300 divided by 55. Okay, 55 and 33, these are multiples of 11. That's why first of all let's divide these numbers by 11. 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 11 0 0, 11 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 5 0 0. And therefore a plus 27d equal to 60. Let's call it as equation first. Now Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore we are interested to find T28. Therefore T28 equals a plus 28 minus 1 into d, that is T28 equals a plus 27d, equation second. And therefore from 1 and 2, 1 tells us a plus 27d equals 60, and 2 tells us T28 is also equals a plus 27d. Okay, and value of a plus 27d is 60, and that's why we may write T28 equals 60. That is 28th term of that AP. That is 28th term of that AP is 60. Okay. Let's see question 7th. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Okay. Question 7th. Solution. Let us assume that consecutive terms be A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay, and therefore, but first condition, according to first condition, it is that sum of those consecutive terms is 27, means A minus D plus A plus D equals 27. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D minus D plus D gives us 0. That equals 27. And A plus A, 3A. Therefore, 3A equals 27. And therefore, A equals 27 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. And therefore, A equal to 9. Okay, A equal to 9. By second condition, what is second condition? According to second condition, it tells that their product is 504, means A minus D into A plus D equals 504. Okay, and therefore value of A is 9, that's why we can write 9 minus D into 9 plus D equals 504, and therefore 9 minus D into 9 plus D equals 504 upon multiplier 9 which is at left will become divided at right side. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45, remainder will 5, it will form 54. Okay, 9 sixes are 54. Okay, and 9 minus D into 9 plus D, it is in a form of A minus B into A plus B, which gives us A square minus B square. Okay, means square of 9 is 81 minus D square equals 56. Okay, and therefore 81 minus 56 equals D square, and therefore now 6 cannot be subtracted through 1, that's why by taking carry from 8 we get 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 gives us 5. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 5 gives us 2. Okay, 25 equals D square, and therefore D square equals 25, and therefore D equals plus or minus 5, and that is D equal to 5 or D equal to minus 5. And therefore, if D equals 5, then A minus D equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. A equals 9 and A plus D equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. Means those three terms will be 4, 9, 14. Or if D equals minus 5, then A minus D gives us 9 minus minus 5 equals 14, comma A equal to 9, and A plus D gives us 9 plus minus 5 equal to 4. Okay, and therefore those terms, okay, those terms, or his question is, yes, terms, those terms are 4, 9, 14. 4, 9, 14, or those terms are 14, 9, 4. 14,